Most flagship smartphone camera sensors have grown to sit at just below the 1-inch corner-to-corner point, or around 1/1.3 or 1/1.4 inches. That's a big sensor, but it's also not far off what we had in the Lumia 1020 way back when, or the Huawei P30 Pro. No, these days the likes of Samsung, Apple and Google take those fairly stout camera sensors and combine them with aggressive processing to combat the limitations brought on by relatively small sensors compared to what you might find in a Sony a7S, for example. But often what you miss out on by going with this approach is the natural shallow depth of field that a dedicated camera will give you, and generally, tonally, these images can come out a little flat, or with so much HDR that it doesn't really feel natural to look at. So how do you solve this whole obvious smartphone look? Well, for a while, these phones have had RAW capture options that many talented photographers have taken advantage with lots of tasteful tuning that is then done after the fact in apps like Lightroom. But this isn't a solution for everyone, as it requires not only the additional time, but also quite a bit of skill. The second option is what Apple has done in its photographic styles by giving you the option to make your own profiles that look more contrasty, to look more like what a real camera might take.